Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move elements in CARAD. This is a fundamental skill when building your website as it allows you to rearrange your layout exactly how you want it without starting from scratch. First, open your web browser and navigate to carad.co. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you straight to your dashboard where all your sites are stored and ready to be edited. In your dashboard, navigate your mouse to the site you want to edit. When you hover over it, you'll see an option that says Edit this site. Click on that to open your site in the editor. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, you can create a new blank page from scratch to practice moving elements around. Once you're in the editor, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a plus button. Click on it and the menu will appear with various element options you can add to your page. From this menu, select Table. This will insert a table element into your design. After selecting it, click Done in the left panel to confirm your choice and add it to your page. Now comes the key part, actually moving the element. Click and hold the table element you just added. While holding it, drag it to a new position. You can place it before or after another element on your page. This drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly easy to experiment with different layouts until you find the arrangement that works best for your design. Once you're satisfied with the new position of your element, it's time to publish your changes so they go live. In the upper right panel, click the Publish this site button. This will open up the publishing options for your site. You'll be prompted to enter a title and description in the fields provided. These are important for SEO and helping visitors understand what your site is about, so take a moment to fill them in thoughtfully. Next, scroll down and navigate to the section beside .carad.co. Here, you'll type your preferred URL name in the field. This is what people will see in their browser's address bar when they visit your site, so choose something memorable and relevant to your content. Finally, click Publish Changes or Publish to make everything official. After the site has been published, click View Site in order to test it and see your changes live in action. This is a great way to confirm that your element moved exactly where you wanted it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to move elements in CARAD, giving you full control over your website's layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.